Since Japan's period of high economic growth in the 1970s, the country has experienced rapid urban development. A consequence to this growth has been the destruction of natural environment, leading to loss of natural water retention capacity. Urban flooding is now commonplace. In recent years, damage caused by localized torrential rainfalls, a direct result of global warming, is afflicting much of the world, and those disasters can come at the cost of many people's lives. Porous concrete was created in order to adapt to environmental changes that are advancing on a global scale. It is porous concrete that links urban and natural environments with water. Hokkaido Poracon has been producing porous concrete products for 45 years. Our products have been used for roads and both public and commercial facilities across Japan, assisting in harmonizing the often challenging relationship between the urban environments and the natural environmental cycle. The greatest feature of porous concrete is literally its porousness. The concrete has countless holes on its surface, which are key in providing a high degree of permeability and allowing rainwater to penetrate otherwise impermeable surfaces. Rainwater can therefore dissipate into the ground. In other applications, porous concrete can also assist in the collection and storage of water. In addition to its penetration and catchment of water, porous concrete can also be used for other purposes such as the absorption of heat and sound, water irrigation required by vegetation, water purification, and so on. It is estimated that Japan utilizes porous concrete most widely in the world. We conduct joint research with universities in a continued effort to be the industry-leading concrete company in Japan. In Japan, porous concrete is commonly used in the following situations: to collect rainwater that has permeated soil and channeled to a sewer or a river, to allow rainwater to penetrate the ground and thereby preventing floods, to keep surfaces safe by quickly draining rainwater into the ground, for example in its applications on sidewalks, roadways or open spaces, and so on. However, consideration should be given to the application of concrete to a given site and its lasting effects on the surrounding environment. In order to restrain rainwater outflow, it is essential to hold a consultation about the suppression of rainwater outflow by having a good grasp of the location and circumstances of the site and consideration of the estimated rainfall in the area. Hokkaido Poracon is the only company in Japan that offers a one-stop service providing customers with the necessary consultation and calculation of rainwater outflow suppression, product manufacturing, site installation, and any ongoing maintenance of the product. The penetration construction method is the most popular method making best use of porous concrete. The method is comprised of various product elements, including boxes, trench pipes, wells, and gutters. By applying multiple elements of our solution, as much rainwater as possible is returned to the natural cycle, improving flood prevention in urban environments. Hokkaido Poracon tackled the ongoing problem of urban-based flood disasters ahead of other companies and has successfully developed, manufactured, and applied porous concrete products with uniform continuous voids. We have also developed a construction method that resolves the ongoing problem of sediment deposition and the resultant clogging, which ensures a stable and consistent functioning of water penetration in our products. Porous concrete can also be used in the water collection construction method. Water-permeable gutter U-type and porous concrete pipes collect and drain water from the soft ground, alleviating the possibilities of landslides and preventing land upheavals. The soil type common in many countries, including those in Southeast Asia, tends to expand when wet and shrink when dry, causing serious damage to infrastructure. Porous concrete can be utilized widely in these areas by normalizing soil moisture content. The application of porous concrete solutions to a specific situation needs to consider both the penetration and water collection characteristics of the concrete, for which it is necessary to adjust the porosity of products. We have accumulated required know-how on this specialized subject. Hokkaido Poracon also offers an underground storage construction method in which rainwater is stored in a plastic storage tank. The stored rainwater is then distributed to the ground or carried to wastewater treatment facilities. This method is suitable for runoff control at large-scale facilities. For the most efficient and effective operations, and for the best performance in runoff control, Hokkaido Poracon promotes porous concrete products to the world, making use of planning, consulting, and manufacturing abilities according to the situation. In 2019, we commenced a project in Indonesia, commissioned by JICA, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, which is an affiliate of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, to bring expertise acquired in disaster-prone Japan to the world. That is our mission.